fans, this time we have for you another awesome playset from the amazing Mickey Mouse Clubhouse range of toys. This playset is the Fix and Fun Garage, and it is made by the people at Fisher Price. And here it all is. Mickey Mouse is looking extremely happy to see you all. And here he is, with his wrench in hand, ready to fix any cars that may be coming in. And when Mickey is feeling tired, he does come with this seat that he can sit on. There is a chest on the roof, but who is inside? It is the chipmunks with a sandwich. There is a parasol on the roof that you can spin around. And when you do spin it, it makes the tyre swing go around. You can flip it all the way around if you want to. Inside the garage we have Mickey's tools, and he even has a dartboard. Inside the garage there is a lift to put your car on and spin around so Mickey can get underneath the car and fix it. There is even a flippable roof on top. You can even put Mickey in the car and take him for a ride. So there it is, the Mickey Mouse Fix and Fun Garage. Great fun for the younger toy fan. Well, thanks for joining me and Mickey for this toy review, and we will see you here next time on Toy Review TV.